Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about addition of two numbers, but using the GUI with Tkinter actually in Python. So we have from Tkinter import string and from Tkinter import the message box. Then we have a main window that is root and geometry with the size 650 by 400. Then we have defined one function submit. So obviously using get function, we are extracting the values from the entry box. And once it is extracted, it will first get converted into integer and then it will assign to A. And same for B also. And then we are doing the addition of A plus B and then using this set function. Okay, because we want our answer to be displayed in one of the entry box. Okay, so we are going to use the set method. So v3 dot set and bracket the answer variable, which is C. Now what is this v1, v2 and v3? Coming to that point, see, they all are string where v1 equal to, v2 equal to and v3 equal to. Okay, here you all can see initially I have one label which is addition of two numbers. Okay, this is just a label just for decoration purpose, and the place is x equal to 50 and y equal to 5. Now there is one more label which is asking for first number, and we have placed also, and there is one entry box for that, and text variable equal to v1. Then same way label, and we are asking for second number, and place will be x equal to 50 and y equal to 80. And for entry also, like second number entry box, again it is like a text variable v2, here text variable v1. Okay, and then we have one more entry box that will be empty, because we are going to display the answer in that text box, sorry, entry box. So text variable equal to v3, and then also we have placed x equal to 150, y equal to 120, width equal to 100. And then we have only one button, that is name is calculate, and the command is nothing but when you will click on that button, it will jump to the submit function or submit method, and then obviously place for this button and root dot main loop. So we will execute this program now, control S and F5. So here is the output. Like what exactly we are getting is first number. So for example, if I enter 10, okay. Second number, for example, if I enter 20. And now if I click on this calculate button, it should display 10 plus 20, that is 30. So it is coming. Suppose if I change the value 100, okay. And then if I click on calculate, so it is showing what, 120. So I think this is very easy and basic program using GUI with Tkinter in Python. Thank you everyone.